Whoa.
That was a kid
Oh,
one.
except it ran in the chair. Oh, okay.
Hey, wait.
It's already recording.
Oh, that's just...
What are you doing? Eating sweets?
Hey, he's taking a picture of me drinking sweets. Oh! Put it on YouTube, please.
I might.
And watch it, please.
Yeah, and then we'll send it
Watch
to...
some other ones, good. And let's just do a lot more of this flying
Alright,
helicopter
alright.
stuff.
I'm giving up now because I think there's loads of bits missing.
Oh.
Oh,
Show me how it flies then, Nick. Oh, it crashed.
look. Let's do this.
Does it do 3D? Oh no! A blade came off. Get it back to the shop.
And buy some new blades.
I'm putting it away now, Michaela, because I've realised I've lost loads of bits.
Does it fly upside down?
Looks like
No?
that. Wait a minute.
Oh, he's doing a blade scrape. Oh.
Blade off. Need another blade.
Okay. Oh, that's better.
Let's go in. Ah! It was class, wasn't it, everybody?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's go. Ow! That's cool. Just look at you. Look at you.